Here's a CN Eastbound at the Dorval ramps. This is Cool Trains of Montreal. I'm here waiting for CN's veteran unit. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's amazing. What a score. That's why I'm here. Merci bien, Lucas. Thank you for the tip. I'm so glad that I had the chance to see this here on a Sunday afternoon. Too bad it's not running in the front of the train, but it is almost in the front. It wasn't that far from the front of the train, really. Yeah, and I'm glad it came really quickly. I was expecting it earlier at 11:30 or so. And Lucas himself came here and said it was coming around 1 o'clock, and here it is, 1:05 p.m. on the 4th of April, 2021. On this eastbound CN train underneath the Dorval ramps, heading towards Taschereau Yard, I guess. If I knew where that veterans unit was going next, I'd probably go there and try to film it again. Look at all these empty lumber racks. Skeleton cars. Center beams. That's a hell of a lot of center beams. All empties. Oh, that's the end of the train. Excellent. Excellent score. Here it is, paralleling the Highway 20. Slowly drifting towards Taschereau Yard. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. And thanks again, Lucas. Love the tip. Have a good one, man.